Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to today, April 21, 2022, 9:24, less than 6 minutes for the market to open. Getting ready for the live trading session on the day. Hope to find you all well and getting ready for a new day. I hope that you watch the 9 a.m. briefing that I'm doing from Monday to Friday, just giving the levels that I'm seeing on the charts, trying to build a little bit the trading plan. So if you notice on Discord, we have a channel with the daily trading plan early in the morning, where I share with you the names that I have on the watch list. I give the levels, what is my outlook going forward. That's early in the morning, between 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. And we have the 9 a.m. briefing just to clear things 30 minutes before the market to open, trying to focus on the possible trading plan. And right now less than 5 minutes for the market to open and getting a little bit closer to what we should be looking next. So we are watching Nasdaq. It will be my focus today, same thing as yesterday. It will be my focus today. Why? Because we are going into a big tech earnings season. Yesterday Netflix just plummeted and pushed Nasdaq with it, following also Facebook breakdown. Tesla reported very nice earnings, squeezing this morning, almost filling the gap. And I want to see it's at 1073 right now. I want to see if it's able to fill the gap at 1087. If it fills the gap, it can fade. Okay, so if they sell it, if they sell this gap up on Tesla, it can push the rest of the market with it. And that's pretty much what I'll be looking. Nasdaq having some hard time right now, trying to break and stay above the pre-market highs. So what I'll be looking, bulls needs a move above here and stay above 14,200 for a squeeze into the next level yesterday highs. That is what bulls need. But if they sell the open, and if it break down, watch out. If it break down, watch for this first level, then you watch for the pre-market lows and yesterday lows. But I'm keeping open-minded. I'll be looking for some of the names. Tesla, less than 3 minutes for the market to open, guys. I'll be looking for Tesla, big gap up, 1074 right now, as you are seeing. On the level 2, we have gap to fill at 1087. If extends, you can look for a fade there at 1087. If it goes 1087, 1090. But I'll be watching closely in the first couple of minutes to see what they are going to do. Also, with Apple 169, is it able to break above 170 and go into 172 or not? Also, the same is that are inside of a box, AMD and Nvidia. Are they going to break down or not? Microsoft yesterday also showed some relative strength. 2 minutes for the market to open, guys. I'll be looking Microsoft 288 right now. If they hold, let's put here, if they hold 288, and if it goes above 290, you have a possible move all the way into 293. That's one of the levels. Above that, we have a gap to fill 296, and that's something that I'll be looking, but needs to hold above 288. If it fails, we have 285, and if it breaks down below 285, can go very early all the way into 280. So something to keep on watch into the next couple of minutes. I'll give time, I'll be patient, and I'll try to navigate this market the best way we can. Okay, so not one of the things that we need to do is protect our cash. Okay, so I don't want to risk too much. Yesterday it was a nice day. I don't want to risk too much of my gains, so I'll give some time. 1 minute for the market to open, guys. I'll also be looking for the financials. Financials yesterday stalled. JP Morgan stalled at 21-day moving average above 133. Right now at 132. Are they going from green to red or not? Twitter also inside action. Is it finally going out of the range? Bulls needs above 49. Bears needs below 45, 44. What they are going to do, okay? Baba also, it has been very heavy. It will give here an oversold bounce or not. 11 days going down. Is it going to for an oversold bounce or not? Waiting to see. So 20 seconds for the market to open, entering trading mode. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Good luck, guys. So the market opens with a gap up early in the morning. Gap up. I got some calls on Microsoft. I had on Microsoft. Microsoft new highs on the day. Microsoft new highs on the day. Microsoft going. Microsoft new highs on the day. Microsoft going. Apple new highs on the day. Microsoft going. Microsoft going. Going fast now, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Trim Sam on Microsoft. Microsoft going. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Microsoft going. New highs on the day. Here we go. Here we go. Microsoft going. Trimming some more. 60% gains in 2 minutes, guys. Here we go. Moving fast now. Microsoft going. 293 is one of the levels. Microsoft going, guys. Here we go. Microsoft trimming some more. 275. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, guys. Let's do it. Trimming some more on Microsoft. Microsoft just skyrocket. Well done, guys. Well done. Woohoo! Trimming some at 3. Here we go. Here we go. Nice move, guys. Nice move, Microsoft. 291. We have a level at 293. Some orbital flow on Microsoft. Apple also. Apple 170. Apple 170. Microsoft going. Here we go. Trimming some more at 310. Well done, guys. 85% gains in 4 minutes. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Trimming some more. Here we go. Here we go, guys. And explodes. Explodes. And we doubled. And we doubled, guys. We doubled the money in 5 minutes. We doubled the money in 5 minutes. Great, great, great trade, guys. 5 minutes, we doubled the money. Nvidia going new highs on the day. 293 is one of the levels. We have Apple above 170. We have a big bounce on Nvidia. Nvidia big bounce. We have bounce on AMD also. Microsoft pushing higher as we speak. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Microsoft. 293 is one of the levels. We are at 292 right now. Here we go. Beautiful move, exploding up right now as we speak. Here we go. Here we go, new highs on the day. I sold Microsoft. Big move, guys. Big move. Big move. Big move. $120% gains in 6 minutes, guys. I'm done. My God. Woohoo! 6 minutes. Jesus. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, guys. Well done. Well done. I'm done. IWM, some fading on IWM. IWM, some fading. Some fading on IWM. Buying coming down. Buying fading. I got some puts on IWM. IWM fading. I had some more on IWM. New lows on the day on IWM. IWM coming, new lows on the day. Microsoft new highs on the day. Here we go. IWM coming. IWM fading, filling the gap. IWM fill the gap. IWM coming. IWM coming. IWM coming, new lows on the day. Trimming some on IWM. IWM coming. Here we go. Trim some on IWM. Great move on Microsoft, guys. Great move. Great move on Microsoft. Well done. IWM, new lows on the day. Some bear flow on IWM. Microsoft keeps pushing. Apple also. Apple breaking out. Apple breaking out. Microsoft new highs on the day. Beautiful trades, guys. Beautiful move. If you remember, Microsoft, it was one of the names that I highlighted before the market open. I said 288, okay? And pushing new highs on the day. I said 288 needs to hold. Look what happened after the market opened, 288. It opened at 288.58 and pushed higher. And yeah, we got some nice calls that basically double in 6 minutes. More than double in 6 minutes. Right now we got the calls. Okay, let's put here, we got the calls 290. Let's put here the chart. This is our candle. The low was 151. I got calls at 160, 160 all the way into 170. So my average 165, and boom, I closed above $3, and I closed everything at 360. Okay, sold 360. Right now it hit the high of the day at 4. So yeah, it was a great trade. Right now we flip into short on IWM. Okay, some bearish options activity on IWM, and IWM fading. It was one of the levels near 205. It was one of the levels for a fade, 205, that I gave you. And yeah, it found sellers. It's coming down as we we are seeing some more bearish options activity on IWM. IWM coming. IWM fading. New lows on the day on IWM. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful short, guys. Here we go. New lows on the day. Here we go. That's it. Push. Here we go. IWM coming. IWM coming. IWM coming. New lows on the day on IWM. MD fades from 96. Here we go. IWM coming. New lows on the day on IWM. Buying fading. Some fading on Boeing. Boeing fading. Yeah, it got rejected where it should. Boeing pretty much where it break down. Baba new lows on the day. Baba very weak. IWM. My line in the sand on IWM around $200, 201. Okay. Here we go. IWM coming. Facebook weak. If Facebook breaks below 198, watch out. It fills the gap at 192. Some more bear flow on Facebook going into next week. Boeing falling apart. Baba falling apart. Watch out, Baba. Baba, lots of room for downside on Baba. X going higher. X going higher. X. Something coming on X. Not sure what. X. Some bull flow. I got some calls on X. X new highs on the day. X new highs on the day. X going. X going. X new highs on the day. IWM still heavy. X going. X new highs on the day. X new highs on the day and going X. X needs above 39 for a big breakout. X new highs on the day and going X going X going Trim Sam on X. Microsoft new highs on the day. 293, here we go. Congrats team. 293, the level got hit perfectly. Congratulations everyone. That's basically a beautiful trade. If you have a trading plan, okay, I said 288 on the 9 a.m. briefing also before the market open on this live trade session. I said 288 holds, watch for a move above 290, first level 293, it hit 293.3, and if extends we have a gap to fill at 296.2. So yeah, congratulations to the traders. IWM trying to hold 203. Let's see if it's able to hold 203. Giving a little more time, more patience here on IWM. AMD, new lows on the day. Not pretty AMD. Some bear flow on AMD. AMD new lows on the day. Some bear flow. Facebook fading also. Facebook fading, bear flow on Facebook. Bear flow also on Facebook going in the next week. More bear flow on Facebook. Not pretty. AMD also rolling over. New lows on the day on AMD. AMD breaks below 93, watch out, you have 91. Keeps fading now. Keeps fading. Cubes got rejected exactly as yesterday. Big fight here between bulls and bears. Apple still trying to hold above 170. We're getting a near a supply zone. 171 is a supply zone, so be careful. Microsoft is exactly where it should, 293 and fades on the first touch. X new highs on the day. X going, guys. New highs on the day. Here we go. X going. X new highs on the day. Here we go. Come on. Push. Here we go. That's it. Bring it on, guys. That's it. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming some on X. Well done, guys. Well done. I'm trying to be a little bit more patient with IWM short. AMD goes green to red. AMD heavy. AMD, if it breaks down below 93, you watch 91 this week lows. Cubes fading. Cubes fading. Exactly the same level. The 21-day moving average. Cubes fading. Watch out, guys. X going, new highs on the day on X. Microsoft. That's why it's important to know your levels. 293 right now, boom. It fades. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. Well done. Facebook fading. Facebook goes green to red. Well done also. Bear flow here. Well done. Well done. Apple 170. It got rejected. If it goes back below 170, watch for a red to green move. Green to red move, sorry. Nvidia also fading. Nvidia should follow AMD. Also some bearish options activity, so watch out. Watch out as the move can go ugly. So I'm still holding the short on IWM, and I'm also holding the long on X. Nice move on X. Trimming some more on X. Tesla, they fill the gap and fades. $10.92 is the level on Tesla. So if you are long, you should be trimming your gains. Facebook coming down. Watch out, guys. I'm holding the short on IWM. Baba, new lows on the day on that bear flow. If you are short, keep trimming your gains. Cubes fading. Cubes fading. Nvidia fading. IWM, I'm still holding the short on IWM and the long on X. Nice move on X, but needs more, needs above 38.4 to try to go into the next level. Above 38.4 can go all the way into 39. Tesla fading. Tesla fading. Some edging on Tesla. Seeing some edge flow on Tesla. some puts, some bear flow. People probably hedging here because yeah, market getting a little bit heavy, especially on the tech names. The cubes fading again. I'm holding the short on IWM and the long on X for now. IWM coming. IWM coming. Here we go. Let's see 203. Right now 203. If it breaks down below 203, you have yesterday lows at 2018. Buying new lows on the day. Remember the bear flow. Buying going. New lows on the day after the bear flow. IWM coming. Come on. IWM, if it breaks down below 203, we have yesterday lows, guys. Trying to have a little bit more patience. I sold X, not risking, took my gains, and I'm holding IWM short. Here we go, IWM new lows on the day. IWM new lows on the day. Come on, guys. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Buying fading. Nice shorts, guys. Here we go. So, yeah, for now, holding the short on IWM. Let's see where it goes. We have yesterday lows 201.86 and below that we have $200. That's the biggest level on IWM, $200. We're seeing some selling pressure, Boeing fading, BABA fading, AMD fading, NVIDIA. Microsoft, it was a beautiful long. We more than doubled the money, but I took my gains. It was the wise thing to do. And I got also some X calls, played here some nice cash flow. I already locked my gains and I'm holding IWM short here with some puts, making 40% gains as we speak. BABA rolling over. BABA really accelerating for the downside. BABA getting ugly. The gap fills on BABA at $80. If it breaks down below 87, okay, watch $80. Yeah, 87. As I said some weeks ago, if you remember on BABA, I said when it breaks down here below 110, I said you could swing short for a move below $100. And after that I said for a move below $90, and we are at 87 right now. From here, from the short at 110 all the way into 87 as we speak, as we are seeing that live, okay? And if it breaks down below 87, you have a gap to fill at $80. So yeah, it can go very, very ugly on BABA. I'm trying to be a little bit more patient with IWM. Boeing fading. Big sell on Boeing. It was the perfect sell. If you notice, if you remember, I gave you the bearish options activity. Also, I gave you the level, a retest at 190, okay, on the breakdown from April 5, okay, and yeah, nice breakdown there, and it was a retest and failed. Trying to be a little bit more patient with IWM short. The cubes failed again at 347. So I'm still holding Microsoft. That's why it's important to know your levels. Microsoft fading from 393. Great one, guys. 293 basically failed $3. We played from 288 to 93, and right now $3 down, so you could play long, you could play short. Well done. AMD fading as we speak. Cubes fading. So the gap on SPY fills at 447.5. Watch for the gap fill, guys. Watch for the gap fill. 447.5. I told you that on SPY the level was at 450 for a retest on the breakdown zone. We hit 450 and 1 cent. Okay, so it cannot get much better than that. Okay, I said 450 is the level to fade on the first touch. It failed from 450 and 1 cent, and right now 449. Nvidia fading. Yeah, Nvidia we have 212 and 210. Those are the levels. I'm still holding the short on IWM, trying to be patient here. Cubes fading on that bear flow on the cubes. Tech getting heavy. Facebook new lows on the day. Remember that I said bearish flow on Facebook. New lows on the day. And going Facebook. The gap on Facebook fills at 192. AMD falling apart now. 93, the level is at 91. Let's see if it holds 91. And AWM coming. Here we go, new lows on the day on AWM. SPY coming. So yeah, watch for the gap to fill, guys. Gaps filling. Here we go. IWM new lows on the day. Coming nicely. AMD, Nvidia new lows on the day. Beautiful. Beautiful shorts, guys. Well done. Here we go. 50% on IWM short as we speak. %50 as we speak on IWM. Trying to be a little bit more patient. X fading now. It was the right decision to lock the gains. X fading. For the bull case, we should have seen a move above 38. They push it back below, so yeah, the momentum stalled. Tesla fading. Don't forget that I highlighted the bearish options activity on those puts 1050. Those puts 1050 right now on Tesla going. Tesla has a gap to fill at 1034. So if it pushed below 1061, you watch the gap to fill at 1034. Microsoft, just amazing, guys. Just amazing. It was a beautiful trade. Okay, some more bear flow here on the market SPY. SPY near the lows. Watch out. SPY is a gap to fill at 447.5. Trim some more on IWM. Tesla coming. Apple trying to hold 170, but yeah, not risking. But the tech still heavy. AMD at the lows and heavy. Nvidia. Semis are still heavy, guys, so watch out. Baba. So I'm having some more patience here with IWM short. IWM coming. Come on, guys. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Here we go. That's it. Push. Here we go. IWM coming. AMD new lows on the day. IWM making 50% gains as we speak. Nvidia almost red. AMD new lows on the day. Come on, guys. Push it down. Here we go. AMD falling apart. That's it. Facebook, new lows on the day. SPY, don't forget that SPY still has a gap to fill, 447.5. The biggest level on SPY, it's at 444. Some more bear flow on SPY, so watch out. Tesla right at 1061. Breaking down Tesla. Watch out. Those puts on Tesla going. Puts 1050. Facebook going. New lows on the day. Here we go. SPY still trying to hold 448. Twitter going. Twitter higher. Some bull flow on Twitter, guys. Twitter going. Twitter new highs on the day on bull flow. I'm not chasing the move on Twitter. But yeah, they have been buying 45 right now at 47.5. So yeah, you can trim $2 from 45 all the way into 47 plus more than $2. But yeah, it can extend. Bull case needs above 49 to try to go into the $50 area. Apple still trying to hold 170. 170 is the line in the sand here on Apple. But big supply zone here into 171, 172 on Apple. Tesla still heavy. Careful, guys. I don't like to catch the knife. $10.34 is the level on the gap to fill on Tesla. New lows on the day on Tesla. Here it goes. Those puts 1050 going, guys. Those Tesla puts going, guys. The gap on Tesla fills at 1034. So yeah, Tesla fails from 1092 and now looking to fill the gap at 1034. I'm still holding the short on IWM. SPY near lows on the day. Filling the gap. SPY filling the gap. I'm holding the short on IWM for now. Cubes near lows on the day. Cubes near lows on the day. On bear flow. Tesla coming. Tesla coming. And goes. So basically those puts on Tesla. I gave you those puts on Tesla at 7. They are right now at 14. So yeah, going. IWM, I'm holding the short on IWM. 60% as we speak. Nvidia goes green to red. Nvidia goes green to red. AMD, more selling. Facebook diving. Facebook going to fill the gap, guys. Gave you the flow, gave you the levels, going. Microsoft, a beautiful fade from 293. Gave you the bear flow, puts 290, puts 287.5 now. I got some puts on Twitter. Facebook heavy. Cubes, lows of the day. SPY, filling the gap, still not filled. SPY still did not fill the gap. Looking for the gap to fill on SPY. Also trying to be a little bit more patient with the IWM short. Facebook diving now. Trying to be patient with the IWM short. SPY, the gap still not filled. SPY still did not fill the gap. Apple still holding 170. I'm not chasing the move. I'm not chasing the move. SPY still did not fill the gap. It's close, but still did not fill the damn gap. SPY didn't fill the gap, but some short covering. Snap trying to bounce, but not trading. Baba bouncing. Baba bouncing. Baba bouncing. I got some calls on Baba. Trying to bounce on Baba. Let's see. It's a bit extended for the downside. Needs above 89 on Baba. Okay, still being patient with IWM short, Tesla short. Twitter short, sorry. Twitter short, IWM short, and some small for the bounce. Baba calls. So for now, I'm still short IWM and Twitter with some puts, and I'm small long on Baba calls. I sold IWM. I took my gains on IWM. I had on Baba. I had on Baba calls. I locked the gains on IWM. Baba bouncing. Baba bit extended for downside. Giving a little bit more time here, holding the Baba calls and some Twitter shorts. Baba coming. Baba coming. Tilray bouncing. Tilray. Tilray bouncing. Baba going. Nice bounce on Baba. IWM still weak. I lock my gains. I'm happy with the gains. Baba bouncing. Here we go on Baba. Here we go on Baba. IWM fading again. I trip some on Baba. IWM fading again. Baba holding. I had some more on Twitter. IWM coming. IWM coming. IWM new lows on the day. Well done on that short, guys. I closed a bit too soon. IWM coming. Big short on IWM. Well done, guys. SPY still did not fill the gap. Market getting choppy now. Apple fading from 171. IWM was a great short. Closed a bit too soon, but hey, it's part of trading. Still happy with the gains. IWM, we have yesterday lows 201.86 and below that we have $200. The biggest level around $200. Boeing heavy. Nice those puts on Boeing. New lows on the day. Action getting a little bit choppy now, so watch out. X, we did well closing those calls. Facebook still heavy. Very heavy on Facebook. IWM almost red. It was a great short, guys. It was a great short. Congratulations. Closed mine too soon, but still very happy. We read it well. Microsoft also, we got out of the gate, we got the calls. We doubled the money in 6 minutes. One of the fastest trades of the year. And I set target 293. It hit 293.3 and right now $3 down. So yeah, worked well. Then we flip into IWM short. It's working great. Congratulations. And yeah, very, very happy with IWM almost red. And going, IWM goes green to red. SPY filled the gap. Here we go. Twitter fading. Twitter fading. Twitter fading. Twitter fading. Here we go. Come on. That's it. Twitter fading. Come on, guys. Here we go. Twitter fading. Coming. IWM. Trim some on Twitter. Beautiful shorts, guys. Beautiful shorts. IWM reversal sell. Big move on IWM. Well done, guys. That's it. Great shorts. Great shorts. Our IWM puts doubled from early. Beautiful trade on our IWM puts, guys. Beautiful trade. Our IWM puts were the puts 205. Puts 205 at 160 all the way into 165. Let me. Yeah, 170s. 170s, and right now they are above 3. Okay, so we got this candle here, and nice gains there. 326 right now as we speak, and going. Congratulations. Now we are holding the short on Twitter. If Twitter break down 45, watch out for 44, and below 44 you can see $40. Microsoft, beautiful fade from 293. That's why it's important to know your levels. 293, it was the level to sell. It worked perfectly. Facebook, new lows on the day, not catching the knife, gap fills at 192. I tried to play the bounce on BABA, but it was weak, giving it some more room. Below 87.1 can fill the gap at $80, so it's still heavy. Nvidia, new lows on the day. Not much to say here. Nvidia bear flow, so yeah, it can fall apart. We have 210, 206, those are some of the levels. Some more bear flow. Also next week, more bear flow on Nvidia. Boeing, new lows on the day. Great short on Boeing, guys. Yep, and we coming. SPY, fill the gap. Nice to short. I said 450, it was the level. Okay, 450, it was the level. It hit 450 and 1 cent. So yeah, basically missed by 1 cent, fill the gap. Now what? We have 444, that's the biggest level. And if it breaks down below yesterday lows, can go very, very ugly. 443 can go very ugly. But yeah, waiting to see. IWM, it was a perfect short. Okay, I said 205. It was not able to go above 205. It was a retest on the breakdown from from April 5. Okay, and yeah, it gone all the way from here when we got the puts rolling over, fill the gap, goes from green to red, and at the lows, right at the yesterday lows, if it break down below 2018, you should be looking for $200. It's one of the biggest levels. But if you are short, our puts are a double right now. So if you are short, you should be trimming some of the gains. On Apple, Apple can go below 170. If Apple goes below 170, watch for a reversal sell, and get can go very, very ugly. Facebook still heavy, new lows. Not much to say here, okay? And going, Facebook going to fill the gap. Diving now, Facebook. Diving now, Facebook. Yep. Great short on Facebook. That's why you look for clues, okay, guys? Facebook gave clues. Breakdown yesterday. Also, I said to watch for Tesla. Tesla, they filled the gap and reversed down and pushing down new lows on the day. So Nasdaq falling apart now. Facebook falling apart. 193, almost filling the gap. Gap fillings. The gap on Tesla, it's at 1034. Twitter goes green to red. Twitter has a gap to fill if it goes below 45. 45 is a big level on Twitter. If it breaks down below 45, you have 44, and below 44 the gap fills all the way into 39. So yeah, it can go nasty. Nvidia new lows on the day. Not much to say here. AMD, Semis are heavy, guys, so IWM, beautiful short. Beautiful short, guys. They are trying to hold 208, 201.88 just at yesterday lows. They trying to hold yesterday lows to the penny. If it break down below 201, you say bye bye. It can go all the way $200 below $200. It's bear camp for a big pullback, but we need to see it. So for now, I'm still riding the short on Twitter. IWM still very heavy. Same thing with the cubes. Microsoft fading, big sell candle. I trimmed some more on Twitter. Market red goes green to red. Market red heavy, guys. Facebook did not fill the gap, but as I've been saying, and I said at 9 a.m. briefing, don't forget that Nvidia basically gave back all the gains from March, and we are seeing exactly the same thing on Facebook. Okay, we saw that the same on AMD. Buying new lows on the day. Buying new lows on the day. Big fade on Boeing. IWM still trying above yesterday lows. To the penny, 201.87, yesterday lows 201.86. So yeah, they trying to hold IWM here, but not sure if they will be able to hold, giving some more time. Continues to see some bearish options activity, so yeah, careful. Baba trying to hold above 87. IWM still heavy. Tesla near the lows, 1050. 1050 is the biggest level, guys. It was the level where I gave you the put flow. If Tesla break down below 1050, you watch 1034 level, gap to fill, and below that can go all the way into 1K. IWM about to break down. Here we go. Here we go, IWM. IWM trying to hold 2018. Yesterday lows. They keep trying to hold it. Apple still holding. Apple's showing some relative strength, but 171 is a big level. $171 is a big level on Apple. Not sure if they will be able to break it. No position. IWM trying again on the short side. Here it goes. Another attempt. And going. IWM going. Well done, shorts. Reversal sell and engulfing day on IWM. Congratulations, shorts. Well done, guys. Great short on IWM. Our puts just skyrocket. Our puts 205 from early all the way. The bid right now 344. That's the bid. And yeah, those puts doubled. Congratulations, guys. SPY still heavy. SPY still heavy. Choppy action now. Facebook still did not fill the gap, but heavy. Apple 171 is a big level. Facebook coming down again. 192, let's see, Facebook 192 to fill the gap. SPY trying to hold. Okay, I sold the rest on Twitter and I'm done. Okay, so yeah, I'm back into the cash. So let's summarize things a little bit on today. First thing in the morning, in the first minute of the day, okay, 9:30 a.m. we got long Microsoft calls. Okay, we got the calls 290. Okay, we got calls 290 here on this candle at 160. I had more and we doubled basically. I ride it all the way from 160 plus all the way into 36. Okay, so more than double the money in 6 minutes. The trade took 6 minutes and it hit some minutes later 445. So for amazing gains. IWM, then I flip into IWM puts. We got the puts 205. Okay, we got the puts 205. We got the puts 205 at $1.70. And I locked my gains for very nice gains, but it gone all the way from 170s all the way into 337, almost a double there. Then we got some X calls here on this move. I locked my gains and got back into the cash. Then I had some Twitter puts, okay, here for the move, for the fade. I sold, lock my gains, and also got some Baba calls playing for the bounce. They did not hold the momentum, so I basically closed, lock the gains there. So I'm very happy with the way we have been trading, especially with the Microsoft out of the gate. It was just beautiful. Just beautiful. 6 minutes straight. It got even if you held some more for some more minutes, if you had some more patience, 15-20 minutes, you more than doubled your position. So congratulations. And the reversal on IWM was actually something of a beautiful trade also. So I'm very happy with the trading. Now I am back into the cash and I'm looking for new setups, and I'll be closing the live trading sessions for now. Use these morning lows as your key support, and from there we will evaluate. So stay tuned. I will be looking on Discord and looking for new setups. If I see anything new, I will let you know on Discord. Okay, with this said, time to go. Wish you all a great end of the day. Stay safe. See you all later. Bye bye everyone.